Hi guys, Thea here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you how I dye my brows at home. I've been doing this for quite a long time because I've had a very unpleasant experience. I went to a brow salon and I got my brows done and I looked very surprised with a very high arch for a good few weeks. So since then I decided to take the matters into my own hands and dye my eyebrows and shape them myself. And since we are in lockdown currently in Ireland, and I'm sure a lot of places around the world will have the salons closed, I wanted to show you how you can do it at home. So the products that I use, I actually get them from Poland. So whenever my family is able to send me something or goes to Poland, I ask for them to bring me these two. These are Henna Dyes from Joanna, and I usually get the dark brown and the black because I am a dark blonde and I get some highlights put into my hair. I like to mix the two colours to get my brows to look even more natural rather than pure black or pure brown that could be a little bit too reddish. So I will link below similar products that you can buy in Boots or that you can order online. But today I'll use those and I'll show you how to mix them and how to apply it for how long. And hopefully you can get this done for yourself at home, have a little pampering night. So please keep watching if you would like to find out more. Right, so what you'll need is a plate, your eyebrow dye, some micellar water or water and soap, and your cotton pads. Your eyebrow dye comes with eyebrow and eyelash color cream, an activator, and a little spatula. To start off, poke a little hole in the top. Since I will be mixing two colors, I will squeeze out 2 even parts of the color cream. Then I will use the activator on top, also an even amount, and I will mix all of that together. Now I have my paste mixed in and it's gradually starting to change color and become darker. So I'm ready to get my brows done. So I'm ready to apply the paste that I made onto my brows. As you'll see, it has changed color to kind of a purple shade. Don't worry about that, that's how it's meant to look. So I will start applying the color cream to my brow. And what I like to do is do one brow at a time because it gives me a little bit more control as to how long I'm keeping the cream on my brow. So I'm starting to apply it in the exact shape I want because this is a dye, oh, cat hair. This is a dye at the end of the day, so if I go above to what I want or below it, it will dye my skin. So I really want to be quite precise in my application. And please let me know in the comments below, will you guys be trying this or do you prefer to wait for when everything opens back up? I had a funny story actually. Me and my 2 younger sisters, we decided to dye our brows. We had a little girls' night in and we started with my youngest sister and we applied the color cream on her brows. Then my other younger sister went second, and then it was me. And I think we have left the dye a little bit too long on Paula's eyebrows because when we took it off, I mean, we had some laugh. Her brows were literally black and we're laughing that she looks like Pocahontas. So she was not impressed, but we had a little bit of entertainment. So now I'm going to keep this on my brow for around 4 minutes because I've been talking a little bit. So I will be back in 4 minutes time to wash it off. Now that it's been 5 minutes, I'm gonna wash off the dye. I'm just using micellar water and a cotton pad. So you need to be quite quick because, like I said, this can really dye your skin. So you don't want to leave it on your skin for too long. And you have all my secrets coming out. I had a big spot there. So as you can see, this is starting to look really nice, and this is without any plucking or shaping yet. So I'm gonna repeat the same process on the other brow. And if you make a mistake, just use the other side of the spatula to wipe it off. And I'll wait another 5 minutes and be back to you with 2 matching brows. I'm going to wash off my other brow now that it's been 5 minutes. Ooh. I applied quite a lot of the colour cream on that one. And what you want to do as well is just rub a little bit back and forth, just to get rid of any of the excess. So I'm just going to fix up my makeup a little bit and I'll be right back. So I just applied a little tiny bit of concealer just to cover up what I've washed off. And this is the finished dyed brow. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you'll try and do it at home. Please make sure to pick the right shade for yourself because you don't want to end up with your brows looking too crazy for your hair color. If you're looking to shape your brows, I probably won't be showing this in this video, but I'll just give you the general rule of thumb. It's a very simple way of measuring how long your brow should be, where should the arch be, and where should your brow start. So if you have a little bit of a stick or a brush, what you can do is you measure out from the edge of your nose to the end of your eye. That's where your brow should end. Then from the edge of the nose to where your pupil is, that's where your arch should be. And then from the edge of your nose to the inner corner of your eye, that's where your brow should begin. So you can mark these with a little dot of an eyeliner pencil, and that's how you can create the shape of your brow. So this is kind of the rule I follow, and all I do is just pluck a little bit underneath, a little bit in the middle, and some stray hairs at the top. But I don't over pluck. It's all about the big bushy brow now, so please make sure not to over pluck. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I thank you very much for watching. What I would love for you to do is to subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram on @NitroThea. Please share this video with your friends or people who you think might be interested, and like the video. I hope I'll see you in the next upcoming video. Take care, be safe, bye!